Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python script which actually converts your PDF into a MP3 audio file. So what this Python script does, it actually takes this PDF file. So we have this PDF file present which contains 2 pages. So it actually extracts first of all the text from this PDF document, and then it actually convert this into a audio file where the person will speak those words, and you will see this MP3 file is present in the same directory. So there is a module here which does this task automatically. So we are using two modules here. First module is PDF plumber, and second one is GTTS, which will carry out the conversion from text to MP3. So we have this sample.pdf file present. So let me just run this Python script. So as soon as the Python script runs, you will see on the left hand side an MP3 file will be generated. You will see this PDF file will be converted to MP3. So just wait for the full conversion to take place. So as you can see, this is an MP3 file. If I play this, and now you can see the processing has been finished, so you can play the audio file. So let me open it inside a MP3 player.
A simple PDF file. This is a small demonstration.pdf file just for use in the virtual machine. More text.
So as you can see, the person is speaking those words. So in this easy way, you can convert your PDF file into an MP3 file using a Python script. So now let me show you the actual script here. So first of all, you need to install two modules here. Just go to your command line and simply install these two modules. First is PDF plumber, and second one is GTTS. So pip install PDF plumber and GTTS. So this is the name of these modules. So this is the command. Simply install this by executing this command. I've already installed it. So just create a simple app.py file, and right here you at the very top you just need to import the PDF plumber package. Then we also need to import from GTTS, we need to import this package as well. So we imported both the packages here, and then we just need to open the PDF file right here with this library PDF plumber. It contains this open function. So here you will pass the path here, sample PDF as PDF and colon, and after that here you will declare a text variable where first of all we will extract all the text from this PDF document as inside this. For doing this, we loop through all the pages in the PDF file. So PDF dot pages, so we are looping through each page. So this will return the total number of pages, and then we simply store the extracted text in this variable. So it contains this function here which is extract text. So you can see it contains all these functions. So we will be using this function which will extract text. So this will extract all the text from the PDF document and store it. So we can even print this as well. And then we will actually convert this into an MP3 file, MP3 audio file. So we simply use this library GTTS, and here we simply pass the text that needs to be converted. And there is also another attribute you can pass, which is the language here. By default it is the English language, but you can even change that as well. So just need to provide the 2 digit language code, and then we need to simply save this. So I will say audio.mp3. So now if I execute the script here, you will see that it will extract first of all the text here, and then it will make this audio.mp3 file here in the left hand side.
A simple PDF file. This is a small demonstration.pdf file just for use in the virtual mechanics tool.
So in this way you can see that you can even change the language here, so you can just provide any different language code as well. So ES is for Spanish. So now what happens, it will convert this into a different language. So just open.
A simple PDF file. This is a small demonstration.pdf file just for use in the virtual mechanics.
So as you can see, it has now converted to Spanish here. You can see the person is speaking Spanish. So in this easy way, you can actually convert the PDF file into an MP3 audio file in different languages using this modules. And for this specific purpose, I made this online tool here on my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools. So you can just search for this tool, which is PDF to audio MP3. You can directly go to this tool, and here you will simply upload your PDF file. So and then you can select the language here, any language. So let me select here Korean and convert to audio. So this is the same tool that I developed here, which will convert your PDF into audio, and then it automatically the MP3 file will be downloaded. So you can check out this tool on freemediatools.com, PDF to audio. So it is essentially using this Python script to actually carry out a conversion. And thank you very much for watching this video.